Students, today we will study Unit 4, Lecture 7, Carboxylic acid derivatives. Next derivative is acid anhydride. Acid anhydride can be prepared from acid chloride. When acid chloride and carboxylic acid or its salt distilled together, acidic anhydride is obtained. RCOCl plus HOC double bond O R gives acid anhydride. RCOCl is acid chloride, RC double bond OH acid gives acid anhydride. CH3COCl acetyl chloride plus CH3C double bond ONA sodium acetate in pyridine gives acetic anhydride. This is the first method of preparation of acid anhydride. Second method, from dehydration of carboxylic acid. Simple carboxylic acid do not dehydrate easily, but when they are heated in presence of acetic anhydride is obtained. So C2H5 C double bond OH plus acetic anhydride gives propionic anhydride plus acetic acid. Acetic anhydride has pungent smell. It is sparingly soluble in water but miscible with alcohol, acetic acid. It is used for the preparation of paracetamol and aspirin. So these are the two methods of preparation of acid anhydride. Next, reaction of acid anhydride. First is hydrolysis. Acid anhydride on hydrolysis produces carboxylic acid. CH3C double bond OC double bond CH3 on HOH hydrolysis gives CH3C double bond OH acetic acid. CH3C double bond OH acetic acid. Two molecules of acetic acids are obtained on hydrolysis of acetic anhydride. Reactions of alcohol. When acetic anhydride are treated with alcohol, esters are formed. CH3C double bond O taken twice O, that is acetic anhydride plus C2H5OH ethyl alcohol gives ethyl methyl ester or ethyl acetate. CH3C double bond O C2H5 plus CH3C double bond OH acetic acid. So acetic anhydride on hydrolysis with alcohol gives ethyl acetate or ethyl methyl ester plus acetic acid. Then reaction of acetic anhydride with ammonia. When acid anhydride are treated with ammonia, amides are obtained. Acetic anhydride CH3CO taken twice O plus NH2H means ammonia gives CH3C double bond O NH2 acetamide plus acetic acid CH3C double bond O OH acetic acid. So on hydrolysis of ester, acids are obtained, esters are obtained, and also amides are obtained. Next, esters. Formation of esters. Esters can be prepared when carboxylic acid are treated with alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid. CH3C double bond OH acetic acid plus C2H5OH ethyl alcohol gives ethyl acetate. CH3C double bond O C2H5 or ethyl methyl ester plus H2O. Esters can also be prepared when acid halide and alcohols in presence of pyridine is added to remove HCl. CH3C double bond O Cl acetyl chloride plus C2H5OH ethyl alcohol in pyridine gives CH3C double bond O C2H5 ethyl acetate or ethyl methyl ester plus HCl. Esters have very pleasant smell. They are often used liquid. They are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvent. Next, reactions of esters. Hydrolysis of esters. Esters when heated with water in presence of strong acids like H2SO4 HCl to give parent carboxylic acid and alcohol. So CH3C double bond O C2H5 ethyl methyl ester or ethyl acetate plus on hydrolysis gives CH3C double bond OH, that is acetic acid plus C2H5OH ethyl alcohol. Hydrolysis of ester can be performed in presence of alkali also. This process is known as saponification. Ethyl methyl ester CH3C double bond O C2H5 ethyl methyl ester plus NOH gives CH3C double bond O Na sodium acetate plus C2H5OH ethyl alcohol. This reaction is known as saponification reaction. Mechanism of esterification. When carboxylic acid are heated with alcohols in presence of strong acid like H2SO4 HCl, esters are formed. This reaction is reversible and is known as esterification reaction. CH3C double bond OH acetic acid plus C2H5OH ethyl alcohol gives CH3C double bond O C2H5 ethyl acetate plus H2O. This reaction is known as esterification reaction. Mechanism. The mechanism of this reaction involves following step. The step 1, when acids are present to produce H plus ion. By H plus ion, protonation of oxygen attached with carbonyl group carbon is observed. CH3C double bond OH, H attacks on it and carbonimine is formed, RCOH, OH, and on carbon positive charge. So carbonimine is formed in the step 1. In step 2, carbon carrying positive charge is attacked by nucleophile. Oxygen of alcohol donates the electron pair and bond is formed. Next, in the step 3, hydrogen is transferred to OH group. So hydrogen is transferred to OH groups. In the step 4, when water molecule and proton from OH group releases, ester is obtained. So here water molecule and proton from OH group releases, ester is obtained. This is the step 4. So in the step 4, ester is formed. Mechanism of hydrolysis of ester in acid medium. Hydrolysis. When esters are heated with water in presence of acid, on hydrolysis, parent carboxylic acid and alcohol are obtained. Opposite to esterification, this reaction is reversible. CH3C double bond O C2H5 ethyl acetate or ethyl methyl ester on hydrolysis gives acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. In this mechanism, this reaction has many steps. In the step 1, acid present in the reaction provides H plus, and this H plus attacks on oxygen of carbonyl group and carbon becomes positive charge. So H is attacking on O group and the bond is shifting on oxygen and it is forming RCOH O R dash. So here carbonimine is formed in the step 1. In the step 2, water molecule has nucleophile attack on positively charged carbon. In the step 3, transfer of H plus ion to oxygen of OR dash group. And in the step 4, breaking of bond present in between C bond OR dash and formation of alcohol is formed. In the step 5, removal of H plus ion of catalyst to give parent acid. So in these 5 steps are involved in the formation of acid. This mechanism of hydrolysis of ester in the presence of base. Hydrolysis of ester can be achieved by alkali. When esters are fluxed with strong base like NaOH or KOH, sodium salt of parent acid and alcohol are obtained. CH3C double bond O C2H5 ethyl acetate plus NaOH in H2O gives CH3C double bond O minus Na plus ethyl alcohol. The above reaction is referred as saponification. This reaction is used for soap preparation from fats. In Latin, soap is known as sapon. The mechanism has many steps. In the step 1, in presence of NaOH, OH minus nucleophile is obtained. It attacks positively charged carbon of carbonyl group in the step 1. In the step 2, OR minus is released and carboxylic acid is obtained by breaking of bond. In the step 3, H plus ion transfer from acid to OR minus and carboxylic ion is obtained. In the step 4, carboxylate ion reacts with sodium obtained in the first step to form sodium carboxylate. If acetic acid is used, then sodium acetate is formed. So this is the general reaction, RC double bond O Na. So we can call it sodium carboxylate. If acetic acid is used, sodium acetate is formed. So this is the formation of sodium salt of acid.